A company that lost $219,000 every single hour convinced investors it was worth $47 billion. Adam Neumann grew up on a kibbutz in Israel, learning communal living early. He moved to New York in the mid-2000s with almost nothing in his pocket. In 2010, he co-founded WeWork with Miguel McKelvey in Manhattan. The idea was simple: rent office space, subdivide it, sell community to startups. WeWork dressed up a real estate business in the language of a tech company. Neumann called it a physical social network, not a landlord. SoftBank and other investors poured in billions, seduced by that story. By 2014, WeWork had expanded to dozens of cities across multiple countries. Neumann flew private, surfed before meetings, and preached a higher consciousness. He trademarked the word "we" and charged WeWork $5.9 million for it. The company later clawed that money back after public outrage. WeWork bought a wave pool company, a school, and a coding boot camp. None of those side ventures made obvious sense for a desk rental business. Revenue grew fast, but losses grew even faster every single year. In 2018, WeWork lost roughly $1.9 billion on about $1.8 billion in revenue. SoftBank's Masayoshi Son valued WeWork at $47 billion in early 2019. That valuation made it the most valuable American startup at the time. Then WeWork filed its IPO prospectus in August 2019. Public investors finally read the fine print, and the questions started immediately. The S-1 revealed Neumann had borrowed money from the company personally. He had sold hundreds of millions of dollars of his own shares before the IPO. He controlled supervoting shares, giving him near total power over the company. The prospectus used the word community over 150 times, but showed no path to profit. Wall Street analysts called it one of the strangest filings they had ever read. WeWork's implied valuation collapsed from $47 billion towards single digits within weeks. The IPO was postponed in September 2019, then officially withdrawn. The WeWork board, under pressure from SoftBank, forced Neumann to resign as CEO. SoftBank stepped in with a rescue package worth roughly $9.5 billion. As part of his exit, Neumann received a package reportedly worth nearly $1.7 billion. Employees were laid off by the thousands, while Neumann walked away wealthy. WeWork eventually went public in 2021 through a SPAC at a fraction of its peak. By 2023, WeWork filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. The company that promised to elevate the world's consciousness couldn't pay its rent. Neumann, meanwhile, raised $350 million in 2022 for a new real estate venture. Follow Boom and Bust for more stories of empires built on sand.